Hello guys, good morning to all of you. Now I am going to upload a video on important questions and solutions of the chapter lines and angles, important for both 6th class and 7th class and ninth class. So this is related to transversal of parallel lines. Now you can just take the screenshot of question 6, question 7, question 8 and question number 10. Now guys, in my previous video I had uploaded 5 questions explaining it very carefully on based on transversal of parallel lines. Now we will solve question number 6 to question number 10. Here there are two parallel lines AB and CD. AB and CD are the two parallel lines, and here it is a transversal, and here also it is a transversal. This point was Q, this C, this D, this G, this E, this F, this R, this A, and this was angle 115 degree, this was angle 85 degree. Now we have to find angle X. Now for the sake of simplicity we will take this angle as angle 1 and this angle as angle 2, or you may say angle 1 is equal to angle 2, since both are correspondence angles. Now angle, and let this angle be angle 3. Now angle 3 is equal to 85 degree. Same is the reason, since both are correspondence angles. Therefore, now here in short the figure becomes like this. I am enlarging it. Here it was C, here it was D, here it was Q, here it was G. So this angle is 85 degree. Angle 3 is equal to 85 degree. And this angle 1 is equal to, this angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now this is 85 degree, so sum of these two angles will be 180 degree, because this is a straight line and here is the angle. So, and this angle is given 115 degree. So this angle will be 180 degree minus 85 degree will become 95 degree. And this angle was X. That this angle is 95 degree, this angle is angle 1, this angle is angle 115 degree, and we have to obtain X. Now let us construct this triangle here. here. This angle is 115 degree. This angle is 95 degree. And this angle is angle X. We know now 95 degree plus X will be equal to 115 degree. Reason is external angle of angle I have written in short, angle is equal to two opposite internal angles. This is the property of a triangle, that external angle is equal to two opposite internal angle. This implies X is equal to 115 degree minus 95 degree, and this implies X is equal to 20 degree. So this is the solution of question number 3. So this is the solution of not 3, but this is the solution of question number 6. Come to question number 7. Here is answer 7. These two lines are parallel lines, and these two lines are parallel lines. This is E, this is G, this is S, this is H, this is F, this point is R, this point is P, this point is Q, this point is A, this is B. Here this this line is C, and here it is D. Here it is given that this is 110 degree. This is also given. This is also given that this is 60 degree, and we have to find the value of X, Y, Z, and T. Now, now angle X is equal to 60 degree, because reason is both are vertical opposite angles. So we have got X. Now again angle X is equal to angle Y. Reason is both are a pair of alternate angle. Or you may say EF is because, or you may also say because since EF is parallel to GH, and this line is a transversal. Let us suppose this line is L, and L is transversal. So both the angles are alternate angles are equal. So we have, this implies angle Y is equal to 60 degree. So we have got the value of angle X and angle Y. Now this this whole angle be 1. So angle, therefore angle 1 is equal to 110 degree. Reason is same, both are a pair of alternate angle. Therefore angle 1 angle 1 plus angle x is equal to 110 degree, because angle 1 and angle x, the reason is same. Angle 1 plus angle x is this angle and 110 is this, so both are a pair of alternate angle. Now just now we have obtained angle x is equal to 60 degree. This implies to 50 degree. So here we have got 50 degree. Now angle 1 plus y plus t is equal to 180 degree, because reason is sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now we have angle 1 plus y plus t is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle y plus angle t is equal to 180 degree. Now 1 we have obtained 50 degree. Y we have already obtained y is equal to 60 degree plus t is equal to 180 degree. Reason I have already written that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. When we will add, we will get 110 plus t is equal to 180 degree. This implies t is equal to 1 by, through simple equation, minus 110. This implies t is equal to 70 degree. So we have got the value of t. And now t and z, if you can see this figure, t and z are alternate angles. So now we will write like this. Now angle t is angle we can put for, or we cannot put, that is the same thing. Angle t is equal to angle z. Both are, since both are pair of, both are a pair of alternate angle. Therefore angle z is equal to 70 degree. Hence we have got the value of x is equal to 60 degree. We have got the value of y is also 60 degree. T is t we have got the value of 70 degree, and z we have also got the value of 70 degree. This was question number 7. Now we'll come to question number 8. So answer 8. These are the two parallel lines AB and CD. Now here is angle Q, here is angle P, here is angle R. What to prove? To prove P plus Q plus minus R is equal to 180 degree. So to prove it, to prove this P plus Q minus R is equal to 180 degree, we will draw a parallel line here from this point. From this point we will draw a parallel line. Now let us see, let this angle be 1 and this much angle is 2. Now this is this angle, angle 2, what we had supposed, angle 2 is equal to angle Q minus R. So this whole minus this much is angle R, because both are alternate angle. So the angle 2 is equal to Q minus R, and angle P plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So this implies angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus P. Hence we have two equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have two equations. Angle 2 is equal to Q minus R and angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus P. But angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Reason is, since both are alternate angles, this implies Q minus R is equal to 180 degree minus P. This implies Q minus R plus P by simple equation is equal to 180 degree. And here we can change the order with the signs. So Q plus P minus R is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Hence proved. After doing question number 8, we will do question number 9. In question number 9, in the figure, side QR, here is the side QR, it is base of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. It is produced to a point S. If the bisector of angle PQR, this line is QT is the bisector of PQR. Bisector means it divides the angle Q into two equal parts. And PRS. So RT is the bisector of angle PRS, means it divides whole of the angle into two equal parts, and here this line QT divides this angle into two equal parts and meeting at point 2. The bisectors are meeting at point T. Then we have to prove that angle QTR, this angle QTR is half of angle QPR. This angle is half of this angle. So let us suppose, okay, so I will do it. So the question was, this is the line QR. This is question number 9. This is line QR. Here a triangle is formed. And this is the bisector of angle Q. And this is the bisector of this angle R, meeting at point T. We have to prove that this angle is half of this angle. So let us prove. Let's suppose that this angle is Z. For the sake of our simplicity, actually this angle is QTR, But to solve the question in simple form, we are putting this angle as Z and this angle as T. This angle be X and this angle be X, because both are the, because QT is the bisector, so both the angles will be same. Similarly, this angle, let this angle be Y and this angle be Y and this angle be M. So this is P, this is R, and this is S. Now we know that external angle of a triangle is equal to two opposite internal angle. So look at this triangle. Here the angle is 2y because y plus y is equal to 2y. Here the angle is 2x and here the angle is t. Therefore, the external angle of a triangle is equal to two opposite internal angles. So hence 2y will be equal to 2x plus t. How we will write the reason of it? The reason is, in triangle PQR or external angle is equal to two opposite internal angle. Therefore, so let it this be equation 1. Now again, angle Y is equal to angle X plus angle Z. In this triangle, here it is T, here it is Y, and here it is X, here it is Z. So therefore, angle Y is equal to X plus Y. The reason is same as above. Now let it be this equation 2. So let us solve these two equations. So solving these two equations, 1 and 2, we get we get Z is equal to half T. This implies angle QTR is equal to half of angle QPR. Hence proved. In the figure, if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, then the ratio of Y is to Z is 3 is to 7. This we have proved. Find X. So to find X, okay, so let us do this question. Now this is the figure. This is answer 10. and here there was a transversal. This was angle X, this was angle Y, this was angle Z. It is a straight line. Here it is overlapping as I am doing by hand, but this is one straight line only. So the ratio of Y is to Z is 3 is to Y is to Z is 3 is to 7, and we have to find X. So see, if Z is here, so Z is here also, because this angle and this angle are correspondence angle. Now Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree, because here it is C, here it is D, here it is A, here it is B, here it is E, here it is F. So Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree, because CD is a straight line uh, now let Y is equal to 3t and Z is equal to 7t. Therefore, from equation 1, 3t plus 7t is equal to 180 degree. This implies 10t is equal to 180 degree. This implies t is equal to 180 degree by 10 is equal to 18 degree. So we have got t. Now so t we have got. Therefore, see the equation above. Y was 3t. Therefore, y will be 3 into 18 degree is equal to 54 degree. So we have got the value of y. And z is equal to 7 into 18 is equal to 126 degree. So we have got the value of these two, x and z. But see the figure once again. X and Z are the alternate angle, because Z is here, so Z is here. Here also it is alternate, here also it is alternate. So we will write, but X is equal to Z. This implies, or we will write the reason of it, because they are both are alternate angles. Therefore, x is also equal to 126 degree. So guys, I have solved 10 of the important questions from lines and angles, which is important both for class 6 students and class 9th students. Hope you will you will practice these questions, and then you will find yourself inconvenient to solve another questions related to it. In my next video I will come with some another topic. Thank you guys.